Did that sound like jingle bells? I tried. I'm in the Christmas spirit today. What can I say? Welcome, friends, to my channel. I'm glad that you guys are here today. I hope you guys are doing great. I want to thank the new subscribers who have come over to my channel. I hope you find inspiration and encouragement here. Today, we're working on the mantle. I'm going to be getting all that ready for Christmas. I have some garland up. I got 2 different types of garland up. And I'm thinking about, what I want to do as far as ribbons and decorations on it. But we'll work on that together. You'll see. I'm also going to be working on the top of the mantle. We're going to be decorating that. And we're going to be decorating the hearth also. I have Christmas stuff everywhere. So you see things that are, yeah. It's that time of year and everything is everywhere. And I tried to organize some of it last night. I got it out of the way so that we had a path to walk through in the dining room, but that's where I'm keeping the majority of it. But I'm sure you guys can relate. So it is a beautiful day today. It's about 60 degrees here and it's partly sunny. Just giving you the weather in case you're interested. So my kitty Willow's back here hanging out with me, and that is her favorite Christmas blanket. She loves that blanket. So anyways, please like and subscribe, and also please leave a comment. I love when you guys comment. I love to interact with you. I love to just chat. So, and it also helps my channel. So please like and subscribe and share the video if you know someone that is interested in this type of content, this type decorating, that type of thing. So without further ado, let's get going on the mantle. Okay, I just wanted to let you guys know I had a problem with the beginning of my video with the sound. So you're going to see me talking, but you're not going to hear anything. But I have fixed the problem, and it's just in the beginning where I'm working on the garland. And so I'm doing a voiceover, and so you can hear me explaining everything that I'm doing. But unfortunately, I couldn't fix it, but it's fixed for the rest of the video. So it's just in the beginning, and I do apologize. Technical difficulties, these things happen. So thanks for being patient, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, friends, here I'm just explaining about the 2 different types of garland I have put up and some lights. And now I'm going to be talking about this garland lights that I'm going to go in. And they're really pretty, and they come with a battery pack, 3 AA batteries in different modes. So I believe they're on a timer also. And I'm just explaining about them. And here I decided to add them in, and I'm going to be working on getting them into the garland, which I did use 2 types of different garland. I used the Norfolk pine and also some cedar garland, which gave me a nice base to do what I wanted to do. So now I'm going in with these giant ornament bells that I picked up at Walmart. They both came in a pack for, I think it's around $14.98. For 2 of them, you get a matte looking one and a shiny one. So I'm going to go in and hang those. It comes with these large hooks. So it's very easy to just add into wherever you're hanging it, a tree or a garland. So that's what I'm doing there, is hanging those. And now I'm going to go in with my white sparkly bubble lights. These bubble lights I got from Amazon, and I love them. I got them a couple of years ago, and they are nostalgic looking, and they're really pretty. And my mom used to have bubble lights on our tree. Okay, bubble lights are now on. I should bring you guys a little closer so you can see that it's, they're really pretty. These are from Amazon, and I just think they're really pretty. I've had them for a few years, and if they're still available, I will link them in my description box. So next we're going to be going in with some florals. And now I'm going to go in with some of these gold and green magnolia leaf stems. These I got from Walmart. I think they were like $3.48 a bunch. And I did pick up 2. And I thought they would be appropriate for the red magnolia flowers I will be putting in. Now we're going in with some of these beautiful frosted berry stems from Hobby Lobby, my favorite store. I love Hobby Lobby. So we're going to put these in next. Here I'm talking about the red ribbon that I'm going to be using throughout the garland, and that ribbon is from last year that I had cut in long strips and used on my Christmas tree. But I saved it because it's still in very good condition, and ribbon can be very expensive, so I'm going to be using that. Friends, I had so much fun doing this garland today. I really enjoyed putting this all together, and I enjoyed adding the florals. Of course, as you guys know, I have been a floral designer for many years, and so flowers is my thing, especially silk. Silk is my go-to because you can't go wrong with it, because you can bend them, you can shape them into whatever you want or whatever you need. So I really enjoyed doing this garland, and I'm very pleased with how it came out. But I did want to tell you guys that the one thing to remember when you are doing a thicker, heavier garland, make sure you want to put a lot of decorations on it. Make sure your base is good and sturdy. Sometimes you can buy a really thick or heavy garland, but a lot of times you're going to have to add 2 or 3 garlands together to get that base that you need. But you can even add pine swags into, like if you're doing a heavy area in one corner, like I've done here, you can add pine swags in, and that will also help to hold up whatever you need. And also, most important of all, make sure that you have the proper clips to clip your garland onto your mantle. Like I told you earlier, you need to get those ones from Amazon. I'm going to link them down below. They're not that expensive at all. And you screw them on. They're adjustable to whatever size mantle you have. And they really keep everything in place. And a lot of times those command strips, they fail you. So I've experienced that. So these, you turn them and they clamp right on and no problems at all. So next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be decorating the top of the mantle here. I'm going to be taking this down because I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. So I'm going to just, as I go along, figure it out. So let's do that next. Okay, friends, I decided afterwards that I was going to add this right here underneath. Let me try to show you. It's like a red satiny feeling. It's actually a table runner. They come in a 2-pack, and I just treated it as like a really wide ribbon, and I hooked it up onto the hooks of the garland, and I draped it. They come in a pack of 2 from Amazon. I think it's like $6.99 for 2. Okay, I've added this lovely mirror from Amazon. So that's up there now. And also I have added these lamps on the ends. Okay. And next we're going to go in with these nutcrackers here. I'm going to add these in. I've had these for many years. And I love them. Okay, that's it so far. Now let's get the next piece. Okay, now I've added this berry wreath. This is from Amazon also. I just used a little suction cup hook and I wet it a little bit and then I stuck it on the mirror and then I hung the wreath. These little gold mirrors, you guys might have seen them when I was working before. They were just sitting on the mantle, but I've added them in behind the lamps. So I'm going to go in now and add one more over there.
Friends, I want to thank you so much for watching and for being here with me today. I will see you guys next week. We'll be working on something different for Christmas. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed weekend. And give this video a like on your way out. I would really appreciate it. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed my decorating of the mantle and the hearth for Christmas. And I hope you guys have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye.